All right, guys, so this is the deal. Some of you guys already know I do reside out in San Bernardino, and I started my business about 3 months ago. And so when I go to my booking calendar, I use Wix Booking. This is an amazing system. I love it. As you guys can see, your 360 booth operator, David, has a booking on Friday the 3rd, and then another one on Saturday the 4th. One's a 2-hour, one's a 3-hour. That's good. That's great. I'm grateful. Thank you, Lord. But when we get to June 11th, this Saturday, I have these two, and these two bookings overlap. They overlap because this one, for example, is from 5 to 7, and this one's from 8 to 11. So I need at least an hour to get to this one. And you're saying, well, David, you can do it. You can do it. Well, yes, it is almost possible. But the thing is, I have to stop this one right here at 7, and then I got to pack up. So now I'm leaving around 7:30, and then I jump on a road, and then I got to get to this one 1 hour before 8 o'clock because I need to make sure I'm booked. I got to make sure that I'm set, I'm prepped, my touch picks, everything, my system is in play, and I'm ready to rock by 8 p.m. because they booked us for 8. So these are good problems to have, and what I'm doing right now is I've developed some really good friendships, business relationships with some 360 booth operators here in my area. And I've been giving them a ton of business. I'm not even flexing, but seriously, I've been giving them good business. But it's great because last week someone canceled, and some of my partners out here, they say, "Hey, yo, David, can you take this one?" I'm like, "For sure." So this is what's great about having a 360 booth community is that we all know we're on the same business to produce smiles and good ass times. You know, it's a sport, it's business, it's a competition, but it's a friendly competition, and we're here to back each other up.
Guys, before I dip out, I just wanted to remind you that I am going to be going live on YouTube twice a week to get to as many operators as I can as far as answering your questions, because I'm sure you guys have lots of questions for me. And because my business is taking off, it's become really difficult for me to really sit down and answer each question individually when I can just fire away just like I'm doing right now. Like I'm just talking right now, I talk too much. I can do that. And I'm going to do that at least twice a week to help you guys out as much as I can. Now, if it's in your budget and you guys want to do like a one-on-one, some kind of mentorship, or you guys just need a lot of help in a very focused area of the 360 booth business, you guys can go ahead and book me for 1 hour. The description is in the link below. I said that backwards. The link is in the description below. Let me know how I can help you guys out, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Well, I'm back. Don't forget, we're giving that away at 360 booth. So to enter, all you have to do is follow me on the Facebook group. Don't even follow me, but just join because I want you to be part of the family. I need more 360 booth operators to come onto the channel, to come onto the group and help each other out. That's my main goal. That's my purpose. Remember, I'll see you guys. Peace. And I'm just kidding. Bye.